The universe speaks in whispers. Will you pause and listen to what today holds for you? Welcome to your Pick a Card Tarot reading for June 12th, 2025. In front of you are 5 unique piles, each with 3 tarot cards, upright or reversed. Take a deep breath, center yourself, and choose the pile that pulls your energy in. It knows what you need, and it's ready to show you your truth. Let's dive in. Pile 1. Cards. The Empress, upright. 8 of Swords, reversed. Knight of Pentacles, upright. Message. Today is about liberation through grounded self-care. The Empress calls you to honor your creativity and nurture yourself deeply. The 8 of Swords reversed signals you're freeing yourself from outdated limitations or mental cages. Paired with the Knight of Pentacles, this shows steady, focused progress, but only if you release guilt and choose peace. What to do? Spend time in nature, journal your thoughts, and make a concrete plan to move forward without rushing. You're more capable than you realize. Stay the course. Pile 2 cards. The Lovers reversed, 4 of Cups upright, Queen of Wands upright. Message. There may be confusion around a decision or relationship. The Lovers reversed shows inner conflict or avoidance. The 4 of Cups says you may be overlooking a blessing right in front of you. But the Queen of Wands assures you your confidence and charisma are magnetic. Trust your spark. What to do? Stop second-guessing. Sit with your feelings, then act boldly in alignment with your truth. The opportunity you seek is already near. Pile 3. Cards. The Star, upright. 10 of Wands, reversed. Ace of Cups, upright. Message. Healing is blooming for you today. The Star brings hope, renewal, and divine guidance. You're learning to put down burdens that were never yours. 10 of Wands reversed. The Ace of Cups suggests an emotional breakthrough. Love, creativity, or spiritual awakening is overflowing now. What to do? Let go of expectations. Focus on restoring your spirit. Say yes to new beginnings. They're sacred gifts. Pile 4. Cards. The Tower, reversed. 6 of Swords, upright. Page of Pentacles, reversed. Message. Avoiding unnecessary change may be keeping you stuck. The Tower reversed says something needs to shift, even if it feels uncomfortable. The 6 of Swords invites you to move on, physically, mentally, or emotionally. The Page of Pentacles reversed warns, don't procrastinate your growth. What to do? Let go of the fear of starting over. Trust that movement now leads to long-term success, even if you can't see the outcome yet. Cut the cords. Pile 5. Cards. Justice, upright. 2 of Pentacles, upright. 9 of Cups, upright. Message. Balance brings rewards today. Justice is on your side. Karmic clarity is unfolding. The 2 of Pentacles shows you're juggling responsibilities well, and the 9 of Cups is your sign that a wish is being granted. Things are aligning in your favor. What to do? Stay honest, stay fair, and believe that what you've asked for is already in motion. A small celebration or act of gratitude will amplify your luck. The day is rich with potential. No matter what pile you chose, your soul is guiding you to exactly what you need. Trust the signs, move with purpose, and know you are supported, seen, and so deeply guided. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for your next message. See you soon.